Alright guys, so I just got home right now. I just got home from the acupuncturist and I clearly experienced something very interesting that you don't see every day. Hi Gracie. Hi Blackie. Well, you don't come across too many truck fires, and I was just on my way home and there is a truck on fire just at the gas station just right across the street. Right across the street from the highway in Ontario. And so we had the two fire departments come. There was the Ontario Fire Department and the Quebec Fire Department, because I live close to the Quebec and Ontario border, so they both came. And so I'll show you a clip of that in just a second. And yeah, quite interesting. I hope nobody got hurt. I mentioned that in the video, so I hope everybody's safe and all that. Right? Yeah, you agree too? Yeah, I know you agree. You too? Alright. See you. This is truly amazing. A truck just caught fire. The Ontario Fire Department's here. This is right off the highway in Mainsville. Now they're starting to put this out. That's truly amazing. You don't see this every day there, folks. Wow. I hope the people are safe from this fire and everything. Hope they get this under control. Wow. Ay, 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 ay. Amazing. I'm on my way home and you could see the smoke from across the highway and even further too. Wow. And you could even smell it too. Anyway, that's it there, folks. And here comes the Quebec Fire Department.